hope you're doing well. Welcome again to my channel, English with Malak, in another video. Today we have a new lesson and we are going to talk about consonants versus vowels. So, welcome back to my new series for beginner level. First of all, how do I look with this level? The color, it's really great. And yeah, come back to our lesson. So, if you're already interested, let's begin. English alphabet, there is 26 letters, okay? There is vowels and consonants. There is 5 vowels, 5 main vowels, and 1 special vowel, okay? In total, we have 6 vowels, 5 main vowels, and 1 special vowel, okay? So here are all the alphabet, consonants and vowels. The first letter is A. A is a vowel. B, C, D is a consonant. E is a vowel. F, G, H are consonants. I is a vowel. G is a consonant. K is a consonant. L, M, N, all of these letters are consonants. O is a consonant. O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T are all of them consonants. U is a vowel. V, W, X are consonants. Y is the special vowel, and last letter is Z is a consonant. So A, I, O, U, E are main vowels. Y is a special vowel. Okay, I think that you get that rule. Now let's understand why Y is a special vowel. Okay, let's discover it together. Okay, look at these words. Cat. C is a consonant. A is a vowel. T is a consonant. Egg. E is a vowel. J is a consonant. J is a consonant. Head. H is a consonant. I is a vowel. T is a consonant. Top. T is a consonant. O is a vowel. P is a consonant. And last word, cut. C is a consonant. U is a vowel. And T is a consonant. So A, O, U, I, E, all these are main vowels. Now there is the special vowel Y. So here is 3 words. Y, Y. W is a consonant. H is a consonant. Y is a vowel here. It's like I, right? So here there is I. So here there is Y is a vowel. Okay? Now the word bicycle. B is a consonant. I is a vowel. C is a consonant. Y here is a vowel. C is a consonant. L is a consonant. E is a vowel. Here Y is like E by C. Okay? Bicycle. And the last word is pretty or pretty. P is a consonant. R is a consonant. E is a vowel. T is a consonant. T is a consonant. And here Y it sounds like E. So again, Y in this case is a vowel. So Malak, when Y will be a consonant? Okay, Y will be a consonant when the word starts with it. Starts with Y, like the words you and yes. So when a word starts with Y, here we can say that Y is a consonant. Okay? So I think that you understand today's lesson. So for conclusion, A, I, O, U, E, and sometimes Y are vowels, and the rest of alphabets in English are all consonants. After we finish this video, repeat after me. A, I, O, U, E, and sometimes Y are vowels. A, I, O, U, E, and sometimes Y are vowels. Okay, you get it? Good job. And that's it, we reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for your attention and listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a cute comment as you. And bye, see you soon in another video.